Let Russell to answer it. Okay. All others, please mute it and answer. Russell, substances that float on water. Yes, Russell, tell me. Substances.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the answer.
Ma'am, can you tell the question one more time?
Yes. Give me example for substances that float on water.
Wood.
Okay, pieces of wood. Then tell me two or three examples. Okay. Then pieces of wood. Then
Yes.
say it loudly, Razil.
Yeah, ma'am. Second, ma'am. The another. Ma'am, cardboard piece. Cardboard piece.
Cardboard piece is not there. It will sink. Any other one? Wooden piece. Then
Sponge. Sponge.
Very good. Sponge pieces. Sponge. Very good.
Ma'am, I know.
Okay, but Angelina, tell me one more example.
Chair.
Sorry?
Chair.
Chair.
Yes.
What do you
Chair.
mean? Chair, plastic. Plastic. Are you mean by that one? Okay, so plastic, sponge, oil. Very good.
Ice cube.
Ice cube.
Ice
Very
cube.
good. These all things float on water. Okay. Amin, what it is, Amin? Okay. So,
Plastic bottle.
okay. So these all things float on water. Mute your audio. Everybody mute it. So, example for substances that float on water: paper, wood, plastic, sponge, oil, kerosene. These all things will float it. So, next question to Shiva Gayatri. Shiva Gayatri. Okay. Give me some example for substances that sink on water, sink in water. Shiva Gayatri, Abhishek, why are you playing with it? Shiva Gayatri, not seeing. Okay, Abhishek, tell me the answer then. Abhishek.
Ma'am, what was the question?
So what you are doing at that time? You are playing there, right? With some light or something. So, give me an example of substances that sink in water. That sink in water. Sink in water, which go, when we put it in the water, it will go down.
Stone.
Stone. Okay, tell me some more example fast. One is stone. Another one. Tell me, Abhishek.
Bottle.
Bottle. Steel bottle. That means metal.
Yes, ma'am. Oil.
Oil does not sink.
Mud.
Okay.
Coin.
Coin.
Very good.
Coin. Okay. So, listen, students, dear students. See, I am calling some students, right? I need answer from those students only. If they are not able to answer it, I will give the chance to the other one. But without my permission, don't unmute and don't tell it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, don't do it. So, Abhishek, tell me once again some example for substances that sink in water.
Ma'am, pen.
Tell it loud, Abhishek.
Pen.
Pen, okay.
And
Pen. Don't know. So
then I don't know.
Then you don't know. Jovel, Justin. Jovel, please tell me the.
Can I say?
Jovel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the substances that sink in water. First, sink in water.
Ma'am, brick.
Brick, very good. Brick. Okay. Then can say the answer? Raise your hand.
Ma'am, can I
Raise your hand. Raise your
Ma'am,
hand.
Prinova.
Prinova.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Prinova.
Prinova, tell me.
Rubber.
Prinova, tell me.
Rubber. Ma'am.
Tell it.
Rubber.
Rubber. It will float on water. Rubber will float on water. Any other thing? Tell me, Prinova. We are discussing here the substances that sink into water. That will go both.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Sand.
Pencil box.
Pencil box, okay. Pencil box, okay.
Angel.
Ma'am.
I will tell Angelina.
1 minute. Ronita is ready to tell it. Ronita, tell me.
Coin.
Coin. Not only one. Tell me so many
Stone.
examples. Stone, coin, stone, sand,
Ma'am.
keys. These all things in water. What is your problem, Shreya? What happened? Chalk. Okay.
Ma'am.
See, I am giving chance to
Selena.
each one. Okay. Oh, this one. These all are some of the substances that sink in water. Next one. Mud is also there.
Ma'am, cup.
Okay, now I got examples. I got Pranava, mute your audio. Next one, mute it. Next one, substances that mixes with water. Mixes means dissolves in water. Substances that mixes with water means that dissolve in water. Let me see. Vishnu. Vishnu is today somewhat dancing here
Can
and
I
there.
say?
Vishnu.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me answer of substances. Give me example for substances that mixes with water. Mixes means dissolve in water.
Angelina. Ma'am, sugar.
Sugar, very good. Angelina Rose, mute your audio.
Ma'am, can
Vishnu, tell me only sugar. Give me some more example. Salt. Tell me.
Salt. Ink, ma'am.
Ink. Okay, ink. So I got some answers like sand. Mixes with water, right? Sugar, salt. These all are example for ink. These all are example for substances that mixes with water. Another. So the substances that do not mix with water, those are insoluble in water. I want to get the answer of substances that do not mix with water. That means they are insoluble in water. Vinayak, give me answer. Unmute your audio. Unmute it. Not able
Yes,
to-
ma'am.
Yes, Vinayak. Tell me example for substances that do not mix with water. Insoluble substances. Insoluble. That do not mix with water. Okay, so think it. If you don't know, think it. Mute your audio and think. Pooja, unmute it. Unmute. Tell me.
Stone.
Sorry?
Stone.
Stone. Okay, stone is there. And one more example.
Sand.
Stone.
Sand.
Sand. Stone. Sand. Is there any other substance? Insoluble. Vaiga. Vaiga will tell me. Pooja, mute it, okay? Vaiga, unmute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Oil.
Oil. Kerosene. These all substances do not mix with water. They are insoluble in water. Okay. And next one we want to learn about substance. When a substance dissolved in water, we get a solution. When a substance dissolve in water, we will get a solution. The substance, for example, when we add salt in water, salt is a soluble substance. So, salt will dissolve in water and we will get salt solution. Okay. Here, solute is there, solvent is there, solution is there. Am I right? These three terms you learn. Okay. Avantika, unmute it, Avantika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, I put salt in water and it dissolved. So, tell me here, which is the solute? Solute.
Salt.
Very good. Which is the solvent?
Water.
Okay. So, when a solute dissolve in a solvent, what we will get? What we will get?
Yes.
Where is Avantika? What we will get? When a solute dissolve in solvent, what we will get? You don't know? Okay, then mute it. Who knows it? Who know? Okay, Rena, tell me. When a solute dissolve in a solvent, we will get
Solution.
solution. We will get solution. Okay. Next question. I am adding some sugar. Aditi, some are playing simply. Unmute it, Aditi. Aditi. See,
Yes, ma'am.
don't touch your device. Keep it on a proper position. Okay. So, and listen to the question. I am adding sugar in water. I am adding sugar in water. Here, which is the solute? Where is Aditi? Here, which is the solute? Unmute it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Aromal. 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 Aditi, tell me, which is the solute there? When I add sugar in water, milk, sugar in milk, which is the solute, Aditi? Unmute it. Okay, unmute now.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the solute?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
I asked 5 times this question to you. Okay, once again I will ask. Listen. See, I am adding sugar in milk. Which is the solute there?
Ma'am.
Angelina Martin, unmute it, Angelina. Angelina Martin, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which is the solute in that?
Solute sugar.
Sugar. Which is the solvent?
Milk.
Milk. Okay, so we will get sugar solution in milk as a result of it. Okay, Aditi, you are not at all listening, class. So here, tell me, what is a solute? If I am asking a question, what is a solute? Who can answer it? Raise your hand. What is a solute? Shreya. Okay, unmute it, Shreya.
Yes, ma'am. The substances that get dissolved in water are
Okay, the
called
substances that dissolved in something, dissolved in water, they are called solute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and who can say what are solvent? Solvent. Raise your hand. Those who know the answer of Abhishek. Abhishek, tell me. Unmute. Please unmute once again. First.
Substances that do not mix with water.
No, they are insoluble substances. They are insoluble substances. Here I am asking solvent. What is a solvent? Shiva Gayatri, Abhishek muted. Shiva Gayatri, unmute. Okay. Loudly. You tell it loudly. See, I can't hear you. Sorry.
The substances in it.
Okay. Once again you repeat.
A solvent can dissolve other substances in it.
Very good. Solvent is a substance that can dissolve everything. Solvent. Okay. And when a solute dissolve in solvent, we will get solution. These all things we learn. And see, which is the next question? Next question to Ronita. Unmute. Which is the universal solvent? Which is the universal solvent? Don't know. Pranava. Unmute and tell it. Which is the universal solvent? First, which is the universal solvent? Give me the answer. Water is the universal solvent. Mute. Pranita. So which is the universal solvent? Which is the universal solvent? Which is the universal solvent? Water. Why you are not reading textbook? So next one, see, each quantity of water can take up only a sufficient amount of solute in it. That we learned in the by adding more and more salt, the water can't dissolve it, right? But when we heat when we add some more water in that solution, the excess salt which is not dissolved, that also can dissolve in it. Next one, even though we are calling water as a universal solvent, some substances do not dissolve in water. Like example, like paint. Paint do not dissolve in water. That is why paint workers are using kerosene for washing their brushes and the drums and all, because paint does not dissolve in water, but it can dissolve in kerosene, turpentine, like this solutions, solvents, like that solvents. And that is why we are giving some dresses for dry cleaning, right? Some dresses for dry cleaning. Here, tell me, in dry cleaning, which is the solvent used for cleaning it? Sri Shankar, in dry cleaning, which is the solvent?
Ma'am,
In dry cleaning. Which is the solvent used for cleaning?
paint.
No. When we give oil stained clothes
Yes, ma'am.
for dry cleaning, which is the solvent they used for washing that cloth?
Oil.
Oil. Is it oil? Is it oil? Who know it? Who know? Angelina, Rose, tell me. Rose, unmute first.
Ma'am, detergent.
No, Pranav. Unmute it, Pranav. First.
Petrol, kerosene.
Petrol or kerosene. Okay, petrol or kerosene they are using. When we give to dry cleaning, they are using petrol or diesel for removing the oil stains from our clothes. This all we learned it there. And see, have you done the activity with 3 types of water: normal water, cold water, and with hot water?
Ma'am.
Did you do that? No. Why? I told you to do it. Take 3 glasses of water. Take 3 glasses. Take some ice in it. Okay, Shreya, unmute and tell me what you want to talk. Yes, yes, what?
Ma'am,
Yes.
because I said to my mother, but my mother didn't
Allow you. Okay, okay. So mute it. So here you can do that activity. Take 3 glasses or glasses. In one you can keep some ice cubes. Huh? And in the other one you can take some normal water. Normal water means from the pipe how you getting the same temperature. Okay. And in the third one, Pranav, mute your audio. And the third one, you can take some hot water and take some sugar. Put some sugar in the same quantity of 1 spoon of sugar in the 3 glasses. You can see the sugar which we put in the hot water dissolves faster than the other 2 glasses. The sugar will dissolve fastly in hot water. But in the normal water, it will take some time. But in the ice cold water, it will take a long time to dissolve the solute like sugar. What is the reason? Who can say? What is the reason? Sugar dissolves fastly in hot water. Okay, Angelina, unmute and Martin. Angelina, Martin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, if you know the answer, tell me. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. The changes is due to heat. When water is heated, the solid particles move faster.
Okay.
This causes them to dissolve faster.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, very good answer. So give a good clap for Angelina, everybody. Good clap. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice answer. So these all are included in this chapter. Now I will call. Can I take some dictations? I told you I will take some dictation. Sometimes I will tell you to read the textbook also. Today we can do some spelling test. Everybody keep your textbook, rough book, notebook, everything away from your table. Take the rough book fast. Take the rough book fast. Yes, Angelina Rose, what you want to tell?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Okay, no problem, but you have to learn it, no? So
I'll try to write.
Okay, you try to write, okay. Everybody, Afam, switch on the video, Ronita, Vishnu, Aromal.
I'm dictation test.
Dictation, spelling test. Take your rough book fast. First question. Solute. First word, solute. Shivagayatri.
Write the spellings.
Write the spelling, otherwise how?
Yeah, ma'am.
Solute. Next one, solvent.
Ma'am.
Next one, solution.
Can you repeat the first question?
Solute, solvent, solution.
Ma'am, you are stuck. Finish, ma'am. Ma'am, you are being stuck.
No, ma'am.
Sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes.
Solute, solvent, solution. Okay. Today I am taking
The
only
fourth
these.
one?
No, only these 3 words. That much time is only there. So, okay, Shreya, tell the spelling of solute. All can check it. Everybody check.
SOLUTE.
S-O-L-U-T-E. If it is correct, put it correct. Otherwise, you have to write and study that spelling. That is there in the textbook. Okay. Next one, Shreya.
solvent.
Okay, solvent. S-O-L-V-E-N-T.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one.
SOLUTION.
Solution. S-O-L-U-T-I-O-N. Solution. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, my 3 are correct.
Very good. Innova.
Ma'am, I
Okay. No need to tell me. See here, you can check yourself. If it is wrong, you can write and study that word. So in the next class also, you can expect some spelling test like this. Small one. Okay. So complete
ma'am.
your notes.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
hope everybody had completed it. Those
Yes,
have not
ma'am.
done it, today itself to complete the note. Okay. I will be taking a class test. I will inform you. Bye bye.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
is the
Thank you,
time.
ma'am.
Wonderful session, ma'am.